Hello loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing, and if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. This will enable you get notified whenever I upload a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make delicious goat meat pepper soup. If you want to know how I came up with this, continue watching as I share with you. So here is goat meat, well washed. So make sure you wash your goat meat thoroughly. And the next ingredient I have here is yellow and red pepper and seasoning cube. I also have salt and onions. This is Uziza leaves. Okay, it will be washed and shredded, and utazi leaves. It will be also washed and shredded. Here I have crayfish. It will be grinded, and here are the local spices we'll be using. Trust local spices. So this is called prekese. Okay, then Uziza seed. This is called kpofulo. All right, this is a local language I know it for. Then this is seed, control onions. This is called efi seed, jansa seed. This is called orima seed. Okay, so I'll be blending this all together, and for the prekese I'll be putting it like that. Then the first is to pour in the goat meat into a pot. Then this is grated onions. So the onions was grated, and as you guys can see, I've added it to the meat, and I'm adding seasoning cube, salt, then combine, and we'll be cooking this until the water is almost dry. Don't add water yet, okay? We're going to be cooking it until the water is almost absorbed. As you guys can see, the water is almost absorbed. Add the grinded local spices, crayfish, then coarsely blended pepper, seasoning cube. This is the prekese, so make sure you wash it. So you don't need to pound the prekese. I'm adding salt, then water. So for the prekese, just put it in like that. What we need is the flavor, okay? So add water up to this level. So we're cooking the meat until tender. So check the meat with a fork whether it's tender. As you guys can see, it's soft and tender. Then add the washed and shredded vegetables, that is the uziza and utazi leaves. Give it a good mix. And leave to boil for 3 to 5 minutes. Yay! Our delicious goat's meat pepper soup is almost ready. Guys, this was so delicious. So remove from heat and serve. Guys, this was so delicious. You're going to love this pepper soup recipe. What would you love to enjoy this with? For me, I love to enjoy it with white agidi or white rice. Guys, you're going to love this. Please make sure you try it out. For the ingredients and the measurements, I'll be leaving it in the description below. Make sure you try it out. Hope you loved and enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. See you in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye.